Wow, what a nice morning for photography. When you run a small business, they always say pay yourself first. And I think of my morning walk as paying myself first. Growing bonsai is both you and the tree. Normally we focus on taking care of our tree, trying to keep it as healthy as possible. But there's also the other side where you've got to take care of yourself. Last year sometime, I got a comment that asked, does growing bonsai improve your health? And I had to think about this for quite some time. Maybe there's no direct health benefit, but in this video, I'm going to try and explain maybe why there is a health benefit to growing bonsai. When we're growing bonsai, we have both the tree and the person taking care of it. If the person taking care of the tree gets sick, injured, or ill, then the tree is going to suffer. One of my goals in growing bonsai is to grow old with my trees. When you're growing bonsai, taking good care of your tree is very important. Giving it the right amount of water, fertilizer, sunshine, the temperature, and you slowly realize all these factors are really important for the overall health of the tree. The decisions you make early in the tree's life when it's young can have a huge impact on the tree as it gets old. And this is the same with your health. Just like my trees, I want to stay healthy and strong as possible right up to the end of my life. Studies have shown that people who live the longest have something they care about and something to live for. And I think growing bonsai trees kind of fills that category. It can be very exciting watching your bonsai trees get old and mature over the years. And life is the same way. It can be very exciting getting older in life, older and wiser, and hopefully more healthy. For me, one of my goals in life is to enjoy life to the fullest. I do without a lot of things people would consider normal in their life. Cell phones, air conditioning, having the latest gadgets, whatever. I live a pretty simple life, and I have a lot of fun. When you're on your deathbed, I don't think you're going to look back and say, wow, I really liked my TV or my house. You're going to look back and remember friends and family and the beauty of nature. Just like a bonsai tree, your health takes into account all those decisions you made over the years, and in the end, you either get a beautiful, healthy body or you get a weak, sick body. Getting your body strong and healthy can be a very rewarding and exciting experience. In the last 6 months, I've gone from hardly being able to do a push-up to doing over 60 a day now. When I'm old, I don't want to be weak and feeble. I want to be strong so I can lift my bonsai pots, do everything in life I want to do, travel, climb mountains. I want to be fit right to the end if I can. Getting to the end of your life, being strong, fit, and healthy isn't just going to happen all by itself. You have to take steps in your life to get to your end goal. Growing bonsai trees has made me realize that all the steps towards growing your tree are very important to the end result. And it's just like your health. As you ease into exercise and healthy living, you'll discover it's one of the funner things you can do in life. It enriches your life and makes you a happier person. I really enjoy life. If I were to die tomorrow, I would still be happy with the life I had. But because I like life so much, I want to live healthy and happy right to the end. If you enjoy life, you don't want to end your life early with a disease that could be preventable. So think about how you eat and how you exercise and live a long, healthy, and happy life. It's never too late in life to start thinking about your health. Take one day at a time, 1 week at a time, 1 month at a time, 1 year at a time, and you'll see the improvement just like your trees. So to answer the question, does growing bonsai improve your health? I would have to say it can. It all depends on your attitude and what you want to do with your life. I volunteer at our local food bank, and I talk to a lot of people that are in their late 80s and early 90s. And some people have a fantastic life. One fellow who is 92 traveled to Cuba that spring with his girlfriend and had a great time. So, something to think about, a goal for growing old. I do want you to think about your life on Earth, what you're going to do with your life, what your goals are, just to think about it. I'm Nigel Saunders here in the Bonsai Zone. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.